want to show you how to play La Via in Rosa. This is sung by Andrea Bocelli featuring Edith Piaf. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. It's an orchestral introduction, and we're in the key of C. This was originally done by Edith Piaf, and she used the key of A flat. Andrea Bocelli starts it off in the key of C. So we start off on an E, E, D, C, and then a C chord, C, E, and G, F, E, D, D minor, D, F, A, G, F, go down to an F now, E, C. The melody will go G, D, G, F, E, C, A, F, E, and we're in the bass, we're going to go down to an F, C, G, then the 7th chord, B, D, F, G, B, D, F is a G7, 1, 3, 5, 7, so it'll sound like this. That A and the C go together, and then Andrea Bocelli comes in with, so we got a C chord, we do a D minor chord, an E minor chord, an F chord, and a G7, and he's going to sing E, E, D, C, D, C, D, D, E, F, F, E, D, C sharp, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, E, F, G, 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 E, F, G, and then we're into the melody. I'll give you that in just a minute. So right here, and then here's your melody. C, B, A, G, E, C, B, A, G, E, C, B, A, and you just want to let it be lazy. G, E, B, C, B, A, G, D, C, B, A, F, C, B, A, G, F, D, B, A, G, F, C sharp, D, B, A, C, B, A, G, E, C, B, A, G, E, C, B, A, G, E, B, C, 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 D, D, C, D, D, C, D, D, C, G, D, D, C, D, D, C, D, D, C, E, C, B, A, G, E, C, B, A, G, E, C, B, A, G, A, B, and we modulate into A flat, where the recording of Edith Piaf comes in. He fades out, and he goes right into that. See, he goes into the C, he sings a C, and she comes in on the A flat, and we're in the key of A flat. And we're doing that coming out of a G7. So it's a chromatic modulation, but it is going from right into the A flat, and the C, the melody, carries it with the harmony right there. So now with the bass, you're going to have C, E and G, G, C and E, B, C, E and G, G, C and E, C, E and G, G, C and E, then D, F and A, G, B and D. So you've got a C chord with C in the bass and with G in the bass. And then you go to a D chord, D minor chord, and then a G chord, and then a D minor chord, and G chord. Do it again. I walk down E, D sharp, D, G7. We'll play the B, D, F. We've got the G up here in the treble. So when you put it together, it'll sound like this. Here's that walking down. So the C chord is white, 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 1 3 5. The D chord is white, white, white. The D minor chord, 1 3 5. The G chord is white, 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 1 3 5. So it's all white notes on that. And when you get to the it's an all white note G7 too. Lift off it and now here we go to an F. And then we go to now here in the bass I'm going to go F, C, A flat, C, E, G, A minor, A, C, E, G, A minor 7th, D major, G, B, F. I'll go slowly so that you can see that. Where we've got, let's see, we start off on that second time through when. There's your A flat right there. There's your A minor, 7th, D major. Now here's how you got the 7th in there. So you got the D in the melody and G, B, F. So I don't even play the D down there. And we're back to the C. Cadence and modulate. So in the left hand you're going to go G7, A flat, C and E flat, then we go E flat, A flat and C. Then we're going to go to a B flat minor, E flat, B flat and D flat. And then we're going to walk right back into a modulation again. We're going right into the key of D flat, and Andrea Bocelli comes back in there. So Edith is singing in the key of A flat, and we come out of there. There's the key of A flat. There's your B flat minor. Here it's walking up. So you're just walking right up there. B flat, C, and we're into the key of D. Back into the key of D flat, not into the key of C, we're in the key of D flat. So what he's done is he's modulated up a half step, and then she does the same thing at the end. She modulates from A flat up into A. So we're going into the key of A next, but here we're in the key of D flat, and Andrea comes back in. Now in the key of D flat, let's see, I never gave you the melody. A flat, G, F, E flat, C, A flat, G, F, E flat, C, A flat, G, F, E flat, C, G, A flat, G, F, E flat, B flat, A flat, G, F, D flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, E flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, A natural, B flat, G, F, E flat, and then we're in the key of D flat. See, so she's singing, and he comes in with, it's very natural. Now for the key of D flat, we've got D flat, C, B flat, A flat, F, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, F, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, F, D flat, D flat, D flat, D flat, D flat, E flat, D flat, A flat. Does it again? F, E flat, back into D flat. Now here's where he's going to modulate into A. I'm going to walk right into A, and I'll show you how that comes through in a minute. Let's get the bass for his D flat section. D flat, F and A flat. Now D flat chord is black, white, black. D flat, F and A flat, A flat, D flat and F. Now they throw a wrinkle right here. They go to a, you're gonna have this sound right there. So you're gonna have a B and a D sharp and an F, and then against this melody. And then we go to a G flat, D flat, B flat, and then this is going to be nice here, where he's going. Playing there is G flat and B flat, G flat and A, F and A flat and C, B, do it again. And then to bring us back, we're going to jump all the way down to this A flat, B flat, C, and play a bass pickup right there. Let's get into the D flat, and we start right before it, right on the modulation. Comes the curveball. And that sets you up for these notes right here. Walking up by tenths, see? We start off with an open fifth there, and then we go right to tenths, F and A flat, G flat and B flat, A flat and C, only I'm going to take the A flat down so that I've got the, so I'm going to go E flat, F, G flat, A flat, A. It's actually walking up, but I'm dropping an octave so that my hand is ready to play the A, the key of A right there. And we do the same thing when he's walking up. She's going to sing A. They come in on that la syllable, la, 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 la. But he's going to be doing it in thirds above her. He's going to be singing a duet with her, but I didn't write all of that out. All I got is her melody and his first note with the C sharp. Well, let's go. Let's come out of this. Back to the D flat. to play in the left hand is A, C sharp, and E, and then I'm just going to play an E. I'm not going to come back in the chord. A, C sharp, and E. Then we walk it up together. And what I'm going to there is a ninth sound, a major ninth. I'm going to end that with A, C sharp, E, G sharp, E. So that's the way we'll end it. They don't sing very long in the key of A. She's just going to sing A and C sharp, G sharp, E, F sharp, E, C sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, and then I'm going to hit an A chord right there. C sharp, E, A with A on top. So here it is where they walk into the key of A. He's singing. There's your A flat and C, and we go to an A and C sharp. That's a B and an F sharp together. Now we've got thirds or tenths. Here's the tag chord. There you have it, La Vie en Rose by Andrea Bocelli featuring Edith Piaf. I hope you enjoy playing it.